Last weekend, I took up the project of making my own plant stand with the tools, equipments, and raw materials I already had in stock. But I am not proficient in using these tools. Hence, I took the help of my husband in completing this project, and it was a great experience. This was my very first project wherein I used heavy tools myself, and I was very happy about it as I learnt a new skill. We made each section piece by piece very carefully as we are not professionals. So finally guys, after 4 hours of hard work, I'm pretty sure it's more than 4 hours, after that we were able to come up with this entire structure that I wanted to. I was really inspired by just looking at an image online because I always wanted to create a height for the plants because they're always kept in one level and I cannot just nail on everywhere. So these woods were lying in my house and I wanted to make a good use of it, and I came up with this stand. So I'm really proud of it because this is the very first time we created something like this, and definitely it was with the help of my husband. I won't be able to do it myself using all those heavy machinery and stuff. So I was finally able to come up with 4 racks which I was aiming for. I wanted it to be of my height so that I can keep the plants like at my level, and then I'm pretty happy with the outcome that it is. I won't say it is perfect, but it is very close to perfect. Like in the beginning it was shaking very badly because there was no proper support, but now I see that it is not shaking much unless and until I really go ahead and shake it. And the support system is very good. We created all these supports in between every section, and the outcome is very good. Let's plant all the plants in this and let's see how it looks, because I'm pretty sure it will look awesome. Looks fine here. You can look when it is hanging down there. The shade has come perfectly fine. I think I'll keep it here because it's not hanging anything. I have more hanging plants. This looks really beautiful. It came out so well, and I want to keep it in a section where it should be hanging down and also getting a proper support system. It requires a proper support. This is my recent rubber tree which I propagated and came really well in a small pot. I want to keep it here. The leaves are pretty big. Then I have this arrowhead plant. This is also leaning towards one side, so it will look good if I put it anywhere like a hanging plant. I have this small money plant. This one is going out of control. I need to figure out how to fix this. This fits in here perfect. This is the perfect one. It's actually covering the stand here and it's making it look very beautiful. Okay. Then I have this money plant. Over a period of time, this is also going to hang. I have this fawn. This is a small one. So I also see that a lot of places there behind, so I can keep, because it will give a side look. I have another fern here, Boston fern. And I need one more plant here for a filler. From this philodendron, they grow really wide. I'm going to keep it here again. And I think I'm done for now.